Hey guys, it's Nick and Jonathan coming at you with our January newsletter update. So this month we've got a beautiful new listing coming. It's a 4-bedroom detached home in West Oak Trails. It's going to be listing just under $1 million tomorrow, Monday. So check it out below. We've got a full walkthrough tour on YouTube. That's going to be below. And there's also going to be a link at the top of the newsletter that's going to take you to the web page for that listing with some more information. I've also got a video down there that's going to talk to you about the market stats. Try not to glaze over. It's 5 minutes, but there's a lot to cover. We cover the entire year of 2020 in there. Jonathan?
Yeah, so I also have a video in there basically discussing some of the changes that have been made to the first-time buyers home incentive program. I think they're slated to be unveiled in the spring. We've started something new and exciting in our newsletters. Every newsletter, we're going to feature a business that's owned by one of our clients. And in this newsletter, we actually talk about Naomi and Anand's restaurant, Studebaker in Burlington. It's a fantastic restaurant. They're great people. We've known them for years.
We ordered it in last night, actually.
Yeah, we did. It was delicious as usual. So, again, we're going through unprecedented times right now, and it's really impacting small businesses. So if we could just give them our support, we'd be happy to do so. So again, that's something that we're going to be doing in every newsletter. So be on the lookout for that.
And if you guys have a small business that you're either starting right now or that's obviously being impacted right now with the COVID-19 shutdown and the stay-at-home order, reach out, send us an email, and we'd be happy to feature you in one of our newsletters or our Instagram page.
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to DM us on Instagram, Williams Family Real Estate, or email us through our website, williamsfamilyrealestate.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again.